Today we are going to learn about the multiples of a number. What are multiples of a number? If a natural number is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., the products so formed are the multiples of that natural number. So to get multiples of a number, we have to multiply that number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Let us observe an example. Let us find the multiples of 4. To get the multiples of 4, we have to multiply 4 by 1 and by 2, by 3, by 4, etc. as many we want. Now we multiply 4 by 1, we get 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 5, 20. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. If we go on, 24, 28, 32, 36, etc. are the multiples of 4. As natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are infinite, the multiples of a number also infinite. So as an activity, you write the multiples of 2, 3, 6 and 7 and observe their properties. The multiples of a number. Now we are going to learn what is least common multiple, that is simply abbreviated as LCM. Now to learn what is LCM, let us write the multiples of two numbers. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. And multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, etc. Now, what are the common multiples of 4 and 3? The common multiples are 4 is not common, 8 is not common, 6 is not common, 9 is not common, but 12 is common. You observe it? 12 is a common multiple of 3 and 4. Therefore, it is a common multiple 12. Again, 15 is not a common multiple. 16 is not a common multiple. Do you understand what is a common multiple? Common multiple is a multiple to both 4 and 3. 20 is a multiple of 4 but not multiple of 3. 18 is a multiple of 3 but not multiple of 4. Therefore, it is not a common multiple. Again, if we observe, 24 is the common multiple. It is multiple to both 4 and 3. Therefore, another common multiple is 24. If we go on like this, we can get infinite number of common multiples. But the multiples increase. They do not decrease as the natural numbers increase. Therefore, we get more multiples greater than 24. After getting the common multiples, what is the least of the common multiples? It is 12, because we get more multiples greater than 24 but not less than 24 or less than 12. Therefore, 12 is the least of the common multiples. Therefore, the 12 is called the least common multiple of 4 and 3. So, this is the way we find the least common multiple of any numbers, any number of numbers, that is, we find the LCM of two numbers, we can find multiple LCM of three numbers or four numbers. First, we write the multiples and then write common multiples, and we have to find the least of the common multiples, which is the LCM of the given numbers. Let us work out another problem on least common multiple. Find the LCM of 4, 8 and 12. So here we are going to find the LCM of three numbers. So as usual, we have to write the multiples of all the three numbers. First, the multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. And then the multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, etc. And multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, etc. Now, what do? We have to find the common multiples of all the three numbers 4, 8 and 12. By observing the multiples, we find that the 24 is the first common multiple. 24 is the multiple of 4, multiple of 8, multiple of 12. Therefore, 24 is the common multiple of all the three numbers. Then, by observing this, 32 is the multiple of 4 and multiple of 8, but not multiple of 12. Then we observe that 48 is the another multiple of 4. 48 is the multiple of 4, 48 is the multiple of 8, and it is also multiple of 12. Therefore, 48 will be the another multiple of 4, 8 and 12. So as we go on, we get more common multiples greater than 24. Now we have to find the least of the common multiples. What is the least of the common multiples? It is 24. Therefore, the least common multiple of 4, 8 and 12 is 24. In this way, we can find the LCM of three numbers or four numbers or five numbers like that. Also, we have another method of finding the LCM, which can we discuss in another video. Now, let us discuss some key points about LCM. You have to observe these key points by doing some examples. First, the LCM of two consecutive numbers is their product. What are consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are continuous numbers. That means 2 and 3 are consecutive numbers, 3 and 4 are consecutive numbers, 12 and 13 are consecutive numbers, 50 and 51 are consecutive numbers, 99 and 100 are consecutive numbers. If we take two consecutive numbers, the LCM will be their product. So then what will be the LCM of two consecutive numbers? Example 5 and 6. 5 into 6, 30 is the LCM of the 5 and 6 because they are consecutive numbers. What is the LCM of 4 and 5? 20 because they are consecutive numbers. Then the LCM of two prime numbers is their product. In the earlier videos we learned what are prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. are prime numbers. If we want to find the LCM of two prime numbers, we have to get their product. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15 because both are prime numbers. Again, third point is the LCM of two relatively prime numbers or co-primes is their product. What are relatively prime numbers or co-primes? The numbers which have only one as their common factor are called co-primes or relative prime numbers. The LCM of two relatively prime numbers is also their product. For example, take 4 and 9. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4, and the factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. The common factor is only 1, therefore, they are called relatively prime numbers or co-primes. So, the LCM of 4 and 9 will be their product, that is 4 into 9, 36 is the LCM of 4 and 9. The fourth point is if a smaller number divides a larger number, then the larger number will be the LCM of the both. Suppose we want to find the LCM of 4 and 8, but 4 divides 8. 4 is the smaller number and 8 is the larger number. 4 divides 8. In this case, the larger number 8 will be the LCM of 4 and 8. And also another example of 5 and 10. 5 is the smaller number, 10 is the larger number, but 5 divides 10. Therefore, the LCM of 5 and 10 will be the larger number 10. The last point is LCM of same numbers will be the same number. The LCM of 5 and 5 will be 5. The LCM of 12 and 12 will be 12. You have to observe all these key points by doing examples. Suppose in the second point, the LCM of two prime numbers is their product. How do we know? You have to take two prime numbers and write their multiples, write their common multiples, then only you understand the key point about LCM.